What's going on, everybody? So we are down here on a semi-deserted beach fishing for some stripers. Anyways, caught 2 so far. No keepers yet. Bait of choice is mackerel, put in half chunks. Let that sit there for a few minutes and see what happens. Gonna reel this one in and check her bait. Well, I caught 3 so far. The other guy here, he caught 3 or 4. Just small ones, nothing worth keeping. Gonna get some firewood here and make a little fire because we're running out of daylight. Hopefully we can get something bring home with us there this evening. Get some of this dry stuff here to light. I think we'll be all right where we're at. I don't think the tide's coming in that high. Come into about probably the rock line. Happens here. Dry wood. I ain't worried about it, sir. Oh, there goes my rod. Yes, we got one coming here. It just feels like a small one again. Doesn't feel very big. It's a little fighter though. I think he might have crossed over my other line. Just a little guy. 4th little schoolie of the day. All right, stop moving around, I'll let you go. Where's the hook? There, little schoolie. Sorry buddy, you're going back, not going on the dinner plate tonight. See you later. Tell your big bullies to come around. Get a couple more pieces of bait here. What are you using? Squid or?
I'm still using squid, yeah. He's got my last piece, wow. My last piece of my first squid. So, oh no, actually there's still one left there, but no, mackerel seems to be working for you.
Yeah, that seems like they're biting on both. Just small ones.
I know.
I want the monster, but at least there's something. Put my drone away after it cast out.
Got a bunch of nibbles there, but
Oh, looks like Buddy down the shoreline there got a nice big one. Oh yeah, he got a nice big one. He just got a big one. Huh? Yeah. Nice big cast there. A little over half moon. Sun's going down. Got a little fire going. Be good here for a couple hours. Nice spot. Beautiful scenery. Gonna move my stuff there. The tide's gonna come up all the way up to here. So put the drone and stuff away before I lose stuff. Bought this light at Costco there earlier. Works pretty good. Thought I dropped a jig here, but I don't see it. Yes. Oh, I got a little one, I think. That's something. Nothing too big. The guy down the beach there caught a nice one, but we're not into the nice fish yet. Another little schoolie.